Oh, shoot. What's up, hackers? It's me, GoldieBlox. Guys, I am so excited. Summer is coming up. It's right around the corner. I'm just trying to get in the mood. The sun is coming out. It's time to go to the beach. It's time to make your room look more like the ocean, and that's what today's video is all about. It's time to hack your world. And for our first hack, we have Ocean Ombre Slime. This slime obviously is not to play with, it's room decor. You'll play with it if you want, but I think it's really, really pretty just to keep it this beautiful ombre look. Basically, it shows all the different layers of the ocean. So I'm gonna tell you what those are. Up here we have the sunlight zone. This spans from the top to 650 feet. Majority of ocean life actually lives up here. This is the twilight zone, not the TV show. It's home to some animal life, but not much. It's like not as warm. There's a little bit of sunlight, but not much. As we get lower, we get to the midnight zone. There's basically no sunlight. And it's super cold. Whales normally do hunting down here. And then the final level, the abyss. There's absolutely no sunlight down here at all. Okay, it's time to make it. For this DIY, I'll need slime activator, clear glue, black and blue food coloring, 6 mixing bowls, sand, and a jar. First, mix a large bottle of clear glue with some slime activator of your choice. I use baking soda and contact lens solution. Mix and knead until you get that slimy consistency we all know and love. Then separate your slime into 5 bowls. Now make 4 different shades of blue by mixing the slime and the food coloring. Leave 1 batch clear. Place some sand in the base of the jar. Place each layer of slime into the jar from darkest to clear. And that's it. Time for some beachy fun. The ombre slime. It is so cute and very oceanic. And that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs every single Friday. Turn on those post notifications so you never miss another video. And if you remake any of these hacks, make sure to tag @GoldieBlox on Instagram and you might get a repost. That's it for today's video. GoldieBlox signing off.